Hello, today we're going to learn how to remove text before and after a certain character in Excel. Okay, it's a very easy trick which I learned the other day and I wanted to share with you. Okay, so imagine I've got here a random list of emails I've created and I want to remove whatever is in front of the @ sign or whatever is after the @ sign. So first let's remove whatever is in front without a formula. This is very easy. Just select whatever all the text. In this case, I'm going to select all the sheet, and then click on Find and Select and Replace. And the trick is to, if you want to remove everything after the @ sign, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell him to find the @ sign and everything that is after that. And I'm going to tell him to replace it with a blank. I'm just going to leave it blank. And if I click on Replace All, see what it does? It has removed everything after the @ sign. Okay? Very easy. If I wanted to remove everything before the @ sign, well, you just will have to put the asterisk before the @ sign. Asterisk in computers means anything before the @ sign and the @ sign, and then again replace it with a blank. If I do that, I've just removed everything, and I have a list of domains. So really easy. In my case, I needed it when I needed to remove the @ sign and the domain and just keep a list of whatever was in front of it. Okay, so this is how to do it very quickly without a formula. How to do it with a formula. So I have it here. In this case, I've added 2 columns so that you can see, and we've done the following. Okay, so if we want to remove whatever is in front of the @ sign, we're going to use this formula. Bear in mind that in your case, if you've got an English computer, you would have, instead of the semicolon, you would have a comma. I've got a Spanish computer, so that's what I have here, a semicolon. Okay, so the first formula we're going to use is left. Left trims whatever is, left keeps everything in to the left of whatever we're going to say. So if we write left here, it returns the specified number of characters from the start of a test string. Okay, so it will return the number of characters I will order it to do. So left from which text? Well, I've selected A3, and then in order to see how many characters we need, we're going to do find me the @ sign in A3, and if I do find the @ sign in this case, it will return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I need to subtract to do -1, so it will just keep the first four characters. Because if I don't put the -1, you'll see I'll have the @ sign there. So I'll have to just do -1. So if I do that and extend the formula, you'll see that I obtain just everything in front of the @ sign. If obviously the @ sign can be replaced by any character, a comma or whatever. If I want to do the contrary, if I want to remove everything after the @ sign, the formula is a bit more complicated, but it's more or less the same. Right, which will return the characters to the right of whatever I say, from C3 in this case. And what I've done is calculate the length of whatever is in C3 and subtract the number of characters as soon as I I find the @ sign. So in this case, it will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return find at C3 will return a 5. So it will this number will be the length of whatever is here minus 5. Okay, so in this case, give me the characters to the right of C3 with this distance, the length minus 5. Okay, so in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, minus 5, 11. So it will give me all the 11 characters here to the right. Okay, so if I do this, again, I obtain everything to the right of the @ sign. Okay, I hope it helps.